Good morning, everybody. So now we discussed about the biased series clipper. Already clipper part 1 we completed. Now part 2, that is biased series clipper. So we know that biased in the sense, what is that? We have to apply external input. That means battery we have to connect to the circuit. So battery here I am connecting. How much voltage? 5 volts. 5 volts plus 5 volts battery is connected in this circuit. So same story. So generally this type of circuit we have two methods. First one is case number 1 and case number 2. So first one is case number 1. So case number 1 is, what is that? First we apply the positive half of the cycle. But in place of positive half of cycle we have some battery. So that's why I am using Vin input voltage is greater than 5 volts. So previous unbiased clipper type of we use Vin greater than 0 volts. So we use biased means we have to apply the battery voltage is 5 volts. Why? Because we are using 5 volts. Input voltage greater than 5 volts. So what will happen? So that means input voltage 5 volts means here we are applying input voltage to the greater than 5 volts, like 6 or 7, 8, 9 up to 7 up to so on. So how much here voltage? Maximum voltage 10 volts maximum voltage sine wave. Okay. So first I am applying 6 input voltage greater than 5 volts, in the sense here I am applying input voltage that is 6 volt. Example we call it as a 6 volt. 6 volt greater than 5 volt. Then this diode will be the forward bias condition. Forward bias condition in the sense this diode will be short circuit. So short circuit means through resistor only we are getting the output. So how it will be measured means you can listen. So this one is Vin greater than 5 volts. So this part. So this part we are getting the output. So Vin. So this is Vin greater than 5. Like that we are getting. So this part we are getting the output during positive half of cycle. Okay. That is case number 1. Next, case number 2. Case number 2, what is that? Case number 2, Vin less than 5 volts. So in previous unbiased clipper we use Vin less than 0 volts. Here I use Vin less than 5 volts. 5 volts in the sense here battery is connected. Okay. So Vin less than 5 volts means which part, amma? So this part we can call it as a Vin less than. So this part we can call it as a Vin less than 5 volts. Okay. So this part, what will happen, the output of this biased series clipper. So in this Vin less than 5 volts, so that means negative polarities. So this one is negative and this one is a positive. So again the polarity is opposite, means this one is a open circuited. So open circuited means we are getting only V0 is equal to how many volts? 5 volts only we are getting. Why? Because this one is open circuited, reverse bias condition. So only 5 volts is a DC volt means, so 5 volt DC volts, this is a 5 volts, so we are getting output like this. So this is about the biased series clipper. Next one is biased series clipper, that is positive clipper. So this is also same. We are applying the battery, that is here I am applying negative battery. So earlier we used positive battery, but now it positive battery replaced by the negative battery. Okay. So again it has same operation, that is case number 1 and case number 2. So in place of case number 2, case number 1, input voltage greater than minus 5 volts. So here battery reference voltage how much? Minus 5 volts. So this one is a minus 5 volts. So first condition is, what is that? Input voltage greater than minus 5 volts. So that means input voltage greater than 5 volts means this is the sine wave entire. So this is the greater of the input voltage. So this one, this part all are. So from this case, input voltage greater than minus 5 volts, that means same operation, amma. So here is input voltage greater than minus 5 volts means same positive and negative, same polarity. Same polarity means diode will be acted as short circuited. So short circuited means through short circuit means this is a forward bias condition. Through resistor only we are getting the output. That is forward bias condition.
In reverse bias condition, what is that? V in less than minus 5 volts. So less than 5 volts means only this part. That means this diode will be the reverse bias condition. So this diode will be the, when we are applying V in less than minus 5 volts, this diode will be the reverse bias condition. So reverse bias condition means output we are getting only minus 5 volts. That 5 volts is the DC voltage means, so this is we are getting the output at the negative half of the cycle. Thank you.